got Rachel over here. We are doing a timing belt replacement. So yeah, so let's check how it goes. We got Uncle Ibrahim here. He will be helping us doing the timing belt and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how it goes.
For the cover of the cam belt.
10 more.
10 more to cover.
One over there. One over there. And one 6 mil LNT.
For the front nut of the cover.
And this is timing belt replacement.
Come down with your phone, see an arrow showing down and that mark on the pulley itself. Yeah.
Okay.
Mark on your pulley.
Okay.
And then you will notice here's the arrow. Here's the arrow.
So those two must align.
That must align, yes. Let me just double shoot. You see the arrow on the plastic cover there?
Okay, I see it there.
And the mark or the pulley is in line with that. Then this here, must be in line with that. That shows you for number 1 piston is on top. This shows that your camshaft is rocking at number 4, firing number 1. Now, that is the direction your number 1 piston, your rotor must show is today. Now you know your car's timing is in.
So if the car's timing is in, this will face that direction.
That's correct. That mark will be equal with the tapered cover. And on the bottom there is that mark on the camshaft.
That mark should be in line with the tapered cover. And you need to come down here. That must line up with the arrow. And then your timing is set.
On the flywheel is a mark, and on the gearbox is a point there. That now my timing is now 100% as it should be.
Okay, so as you guys have it, that mark there.
Next, you need to take off the pulley to get to the camber.
Okay, so which one is your pulley? The one at the bottom or the one on top?
The one at the bottom.
Okay, so that one down there.
I know the ground you need to take off.
So we remove the water pump pulley. So we can get the cover off.
The out is free. Oh yes, and then another thing is, here's my 13 spanner now. This is the other thing to release.
And then your tensioner. So the timing belt tensioner sits over there. And looks like it's just loosen it. just a quick update. So the new timing belt is bought and it is in. They're just busy setting the timing. Make sure all the markings line up so the timing is perfect. So now basically it's just putting the belt in the 90 on the teeth of the
now you must already set your time.
Just gonna set the timing belt tensioner.
Take this in here, pull him up. Now you will notice your belt tension. Pop still, so but not too tight. Sour plate is fine. Just a little drop, please. Not that stuff like this. Must have a little.
So it must have a little bit of play.
A little off in it.
On the belt. Okay, I see.
Tight it. Check there. It's not that stuff.
Okay.
And lock.
So that's once it's set, then you just start the tensioner down. Like a groove. Is it supposed to do that? And the timing belt is now tense. So now we're just gonna reassemble this and put the covers back, alternator belt on, and everything else.
I don't even need to take one to strip it.
That sounds so smooth. Okay, so everything is done now. We just started up the car and it sounds quite smooth. Everything is working and functional. So now we're just gonna probably take it around the block, just make sure everything is right. But so far so good. We just tested the car out now. It seems to be running really smooth and the performance is a lot better. Before it was really slow and sluggish. Timing belt and service was done. So I think we got the problem solved here. So today's video was a success. We did the timing belt and everything went well. So in the future we will be doing oil cooler and there is a slight leak on the one side of the block where the radiator part goes. So the O-ring needs to be replaced, but we will do that. Thanks for the support in the channel and a big thanks to Rachel for letting me shoot this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what modifications you guys think should be done next.